Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change language on Doomsday. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Doomsday application on your preferred device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're signed in, go to the top left-hand corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. Now, tap on the settings icon at the bottom left and tap on language under settings. You can now choose from the list of languages according to your preferences. Select any one language you'd like to change to for your display and tap OK. And you will be able to change your display language for Doomsday. Doing this will restart your game and you will be able to see a different language that you've chosen. So that's how you can easily change your language setting on Doomsday within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.